back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to highlight books and sync notes in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply highlight books and sync notes in Notion by going to Notion app or website itself. So once you're in your Notion, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in, you can simply highlight books and sync notes using a third-party integration app like Readwise or BookFusion, which automatically syncs your highlights from e-readers or other apps in Notion database. For more manual process, you can export your highlights from platform like Kindle to a .txt file and then use a Notion template to import and organize the text. You can simply go and tap open your Readwise or your BookFusion to simply create an account and connect your preferred reading apps. In your Notion, you can simply connect Readwise integration and simply get your highlighted passages or highlighted book section in your Notion automatically. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.